This video shows how to add a modular tank to an existing Gregson-Clark sprayer. For this video, we used a V200 skid sprayer with a 150-gallon modular add-on tank. Three-way ball valves are used to control the suction and agitation from tank to tank. To begin, we will need to remove the suction and agitation lines from the top of the tank. This includes the hose and the barbs. Using a heat gun will help soften the hose, making removal much easier. With both the suction and agitation line removed, we can remove the hose barbs from the top. Using pipe sealant, install the 1 1/4" valve to the suction tank fitting. On the 3/4" valve, the hose barb is not installed. It will need to be removed prior to installing the valve on the tank. With the valve in place, you can install the hose barb back to the valve. Pipe sealant is required on all 3 connections we just installed. With the valves in place, we can reattach the main suction and agitation lines to the common ports. On both hoses, we use the heat gun to help soften the hose. On the suction side, silicone is used as an added safeguard against air leaks. With the suction side installed, repeat with the agitation line. Now that the main tank lines are attached to the valves, we can attach the barbs to the modular tank hoses. All modular tanks come with 8 feet of suction and agitation line. The hose can be cut to length based on your specific needs. The heat gun is used to help soften the hose. Silicone is used on the suction side only. Once the suction side is installed, repeat for the agitation line. With both barbs attached, you can install the lines to the top of the corresponding valve. With all lines installed, let's take a look at how the valves work. The side port is the common line and takes liquid to the strainer and the pump. The lever on the valve selects which tank is providing the liquid. When the handle is horizontal, liquid is being drawn from the bottom tank. When vertical, liquid is being drawn from the modular tank. The agitation valve works much like the suction. The common port attaches to your regulator, and the valve determines which tank the agitation returns to. Horizontal, liquid is being returned to the bottom tank. When vertical, flow is being pushed to the secondary tank. Both tanks cannot be drawn from at the same time. To work off the same tank, the valves must be in the same position. Here you are drawing and returning to the modular tank. To draw and return to the main tank, switch the valves horizontally. When the valve handles are opposite, you are drawing from one tank and returning to another. Here we are drawing from the main 200-gallon tank and sending the agitation to the 150-gallon modular tank. Modular tanks are available in an assortment of sizes and can be added to any existing system. For questions regarding modular tanks or how Gregson-Clark can help you with your spraying goals, visit gregsonclark.com.